Uy. Lex. Lex.
Sabihin mo, yung
Lex.
mga, it's raining.
Lex, come here. Dito ko tumingin kasi.
Here.
Hey. Eh, nakatingin siya kasi sa puno. Hey. Lex.
Hindi naman ganyan. Kasapin mo nga. Sabihin mo. yung
Hindi siya
raining.
nakatingin sa akin. Oh, di ba? Di ba? Oh, you like the rain? You like the rain? Yeah? You like You like the sound of the rain? Hmm? Hmm? You're excited? Oh, you're excited? You like it? Yeah. Yeah. Why? Because it's not hot. No. Diba? Diba? You like it? You like it like that? It's not hot. Kaya pala sobrang hot kanina. Yes. Tapos, happy? Kasi nakapupo na. Yay! 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 Pupo already. No more tummy ache. No more hiccups. No more. Yeah. That's why you're a happy baby. You're a happy baby. Yeah. Happy baby. Happy baby. Yeah. Now we're stuck in here. We can't go anywhere. Oh, you like it here? Huh? You want to stay here na lang? Hmm? You want to stay here? You don't want to go home? Hmm? You don't want to go home? What? Thinking? We're gonna stay here na lang? Huh? Let's just stay here. You want? Yeah. Oh, can you hear that?
What's that sound?
That's the thunder. Oh, kita mo na naman yung phone.